Hello children, hope you all are well and preparing for the examination as timetable and syllabus for evaluation 3 was uploaded on 25th of December on Campus Care. So children, you all are aware about the change in the examination for evaluation 3. There is a change. What change we have done is that instead of 40 MCQ, now there will be two sections. Section A will be for 25 MCQ for 25 marks and section B will be for 15 marks. It will be descriptive question. So these descriptive questions you have to solve on ruling page, and then after solving these questions you have to click the photo of this answer sheet, and you have to either you make the PDF or images, anything you can upload, but this you have to upload on Campus Care only. So how to upload it? For that I have made this video to explain you, and from tomorrow to exam time you have to upload. You can do the practice of uploading worksheets on Entire, so that at the time of exam you will not face any problem. So children, how to do it? Let's go with that. Open your Campus Care app. When you will open your Campus Care by using your login ID and password, this screen will be open. So here you have to go to messages. See, these two envelopes are there and messages are written. Here you have to click. After clicking on messages, you will see here at the right bottom side one addition sign is there. So go to that addition sign, then you will see this screen. Here top right corner you can see one addition and addition sign and one image is there of man. So here you have to click. After clicking here you will see four options: admin, class teacher, subject teacher and done. So here you have to click on subject teacher. After clicking on subject teacher you can see your subject teacher's name here. Now you have to select the subject teacher's name for which subject you are going to upload the answer sheet. Suppose you are going to upload the answer sheet of this mathematics, and your maths teacher is Pallavi Joshi. Then you have to select maths teacher's name Pallavi Joshi. Then click on done. After clicking on done you can see the name of Pallavi Joshi, your maths teacher. Then here you have to go left bottom corner, there addition sign you can see. Click on that addition sign. Here you can see three options: images, PDF and voice message. So if you are going to upload the PDF, click on PDF. If you are going to upload image, then click on image. But children, please keep in mind that if you are going to upload a PDF file, then size of PDF file should not be more than 5 MB. If your PDF size is more than 5 MB, then you cannot upload it successfully. So if it is more than 5 MB, make two PDF files of less than 5 MB, then upload it. And if you are going to upload images, then go to images. Now see, I will show you both the way. If I am going to upload image, then I have to click on image. After clicking on image, you select the image which you want to upload. I am selecting this image. Then adjust that image so that all the answers should go properly. Like this, you can adjust it. Then crop it. Now your image is getting selected. You can see here at the right bottom corner. Then here text message, you can text the message, whatever message you want to send to your ma'am. For example, good morning, good afternoon, whatever is there. Good afternoon ma'am. Okay, then here is or please find the attachment also, you can say. Good afternoon ma'am, please find the attachment of maths answer sheet, maths answer sheet for evaluation 3. Okay, then your name is Atmaja Patil. So Atmaja Patil 5th A, and then you send it. So children, sending message, when your message is uploaded, you will get the message here that your message is uploaded successfully or your file is, see here, message sent successfully, like that. Then you can check here, see this is Pallavi Joshi, you can see here, if you will click here, you can see that your message is uploaded. See here, this image also is visible and this message is also visible. If you want to upload PDF file, that also I am going to show you. Click on PDF, then search, select the PDF file which you want to upload. See here, I am going to select, see this is the link in my mobile, link for classes 3 to 5, this is PDF file. So this file I have selected. So this symbol you will see of PDF, and then same method you can use. You can write the message here and then click to this arrow, then your message will be sent and your PDF file also will be uploaded on NTAB. So this you can use, children. So you can do the practice of this by sending your worksheets to your subject teacher. See here, this PDF file is also uploaded. So if you are uploading image, so this symbol will be there. If you are uploading PDF, this symbol will be there. So hope children you understood well. Do the practice of sending worksheets to your subject teachers on NTAB so that you will not face the problem at the time of exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.